On a quiet morning of June 3, 1889, a silent revolution surged across 14 miles of Oregon countryside. It wasn't a protest or a political movement, but something even more electrifying. For the first time in American history, electrical power was transmitted across a long distance, from a hydroelectric plant at Willamette Falls to the growing city of Portland. The late 1800s were a time of change. America was growing fast, cities, factories, and homes were hungry for power. But until now, electricity could only travel short distances. Generators had to sit right next to what they powered. It was inefficient, costly, and limited. That's where Oregon stepped in, with a bold idea that would change the future of power forever. The project was the brainchild of the Willamette Falls Electric Company, a forward-thinking group of engineers and entrepreneurs. Using a hydroelectric plant at the powerful Willamette Falls, they sought to send electricity over 14 miles, something unheard of at the time. They harnessed the raw power of the water, converting it into electricity using state-of-the-art generators, and sent it down a line of copper wires to Portland. And then, it worked. A light flickered, then another. Then a street lamp, bright in the Portland dawn. The experiment was a success. For the first time in U.S. history, power had traveled far, cleanly, safely, and reliably. And it didn't just light up Portland. It lit the way forward for an electrified future. This single act marked a turning point in energy history. It proved that electricity didn't need to be local. Power could be generated in one place, and used in another. The technology born in Oregon would later evolve into massive power grids, high-voltage transmission systems, and even the global push for renewable energy. From the Hoover Dam to the solar farms of the 21st century, it all echoes back to that first 14-mile wire stretched across Oregon in 1889. The flick of a switch. The glow of a bulb. The hum of a city. All everyday miracles, born from a bold step taken over a century ago. On June 3, 1889, Oregon didn't just light a city. It lit a path, for America, and for the world. Like, share, and subscribe Mind Rift Studio for more powerful moments from history.